Hi there. This is the Ulanzi triple ball head claw quick release with cold shoe and the fast claw camera quick release mount. And I think this mounting system is awesome. It's just exactly what I needed. I have a digital SLR Canon Rebel, and I have it mounted on my desk. And it's very difficult for me to get it mounted or unmounted because I have cables coming from my computer, and I have a battery, that's plugged into the DC, so that for me to mount or unmount my camera, I have to spin it around, and this is being cumbersome. So I was looking at something to so that I can quickly release it where I don't have to spin it around. And at first, I was looking at some of the quick releases from Newer and others. We have this little knob on the side, and you move that. But then I saw some comments. I almost ordered that, and I saw a comment that said that while it's a pretty good system, the newer one, it has a little bit of movement. And so if you're going to put it onto a gimbal, where balance is important, like the Weeble S, which I do have, and I may actually use this for that. There's a little play in it, and that'll be a problem. So then I found this one from Ulanzi, and it looks like it would be just perfect. Obviously just squeeze the side and pull the camera out. So I bought these. I bought the regular mount and the one that has the ball. Because I thought I might as well have that additional added ability to move the camera angle around. So that's what I got. Looks like it's got this lock here to stop you from pushing it in. And it pushes right in without any problem. So it looks like it can go in any direction as it is square. This is metal. It's quite solid. So that's cool. Yeah, exact same size as we would expect. These are both the same. Oh look, this has grooves in it. So this does not come off this. Nope. That is rock solid. That is solid. That is locked in there. That is very impressive. All right, let's check it out. Now, I'm going to take my digital SLR off and let's see if it prevents me from opening the door to get to the battery and the memory card. Some people have said that that has been a problem with some cameras, so we'll see if it is a problem. I have a digital SLR Canon Rebel 2. That's how my camera is mounted. I have to unscrew it to get it off. This is the plate that's currently on my camera. It's from the Weevil S gimbal. I can't open up the door without a problem to get to the memory card and to get to the battery. I could take this and mount it right on here, and I shouldn't have any problem at all. It is wider. I suspect I will be okay there. Let's go ahead and take that off. Okay, so to mount this, simply put it on. It's square, so it doesn't matter the direction. Okay, so with that, yeah, I can get to the battery and the memory card without any problem at all. Okay, now if it's mounted, does that cause a problem? No, no problem. This helps me out because when I was spinning the camera around this cord, because I want to use a DC powered cord for my camera so I don't have to swap batteries out, and spin it around is a big problem. So now I can quickly mount and dismount my camera. Okay, so let's check out how easy it is to unmount this camera. Done. Done. It's solid. It is really solid. There's no play in it at all. That's great. That is great. All right, awesome. See ya.